No, Brazilian, eh?
Brazilian. Pipa.
Brazilian. Nice Sunday here in Sao Paulo. On Sunday, you have a transport for free. This is for you to know. I think it's very important to know that this country is a beautiful country. Brazil is actually one of the best country I traveled to. Brazil is a country you should visit, especially if you are from South Africa. You know, it's very good to come and see how other people live, to learn other culture and to understand how other people live. And the great part of it is that if you are a South African, you can usually travel to Brazil for 3 months without visa. So actually you just need to go and purchase your ticket and make sure that you got a money to survive here in Brazil. After you purchase your ticket, you need to have money to pay your hotel, you need to have money to pay your accommodation, you need to have money to eat, and you need to have money for your transport. If you want to go around, actually, you need to have money. But the great part of it is that you don't need to go and apply for a visa before you travel to Brazil. Brazil is like a continent because actually Brazil is very huge, guy. Brazil is actually very, very big as a country. Brazil got states. So you got many states who actually make a country. Brazil got a huge population. Brazil is like 3 times or 4 times the population of South Africa. For R1, you're going to have 3 rand. So if you take your money from South Africa, you come to Brazil, actually that money will be divided into 3. If you got 1,000 rand in South Africa, you come to Brazil, your 1,000 rand will become 320. So you need to have enough money before you plan your trip to Brazil. Don't worry too much about the language. It's true that many people here doesn't speak English, but you can use your phone. I just need to use my phone and then I'll write what I want in English. Google will translate it into Portuguese. And that's how I communicate. And then if you can learn some Portuguese, it will be actually very good for you. And then I will tell you there's a lot of advantage in Brazil. Follow me till the end of the video and then I will tell you more. Because this is a country to visit. This is a country to visit, guys. And some people will tell you that Brazil, there's a lot of crime. Guys, what you see in the TV is not what the reality. You actually have to come here before you can understand if there's a crime here or not. Guys, this bus on Sunday is actually free, as you can see. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take this one to go. Yeah, I'm going to take this one, which I know very well. This bus is for free. Thank you. Yes. Guys, as you can see, I'm taking the bus. This bus is going to be for free today because it's Sunday. So Sunday, the bus is for free. I'm supposed to pay 5 reals. Besides Sunday, I'm going to pay 5 reals to go where I'm going at the moment. But today is because it's Sunday, the bus is for free. So how is good? Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is actually very good. Guys, can you imagine that on Sunday, the bus is free for everybody? I'm not going to pay anything. I'm just going to get in like this and then I will go out. Yeah. For me, it's the first country which I have realized that the bus can be free for Sunday. See, there's the driver there. Yeah, I'm going out. So the bus was just free, guys. You see, guys, I did not pay any money. And then I'm here at my destination. That's why I say to you that Brazil is a good country to visit. Imagine you are a tourist in Brazil and then you don't have money on Sunday. You can visit the town. You can go to town. You can go to different places just for free, guys. Guys, I cannot understand why there's too much cable here like this. Too much cable. It seems like in other country, this cable is supposed to be underground. Electricity or fiber, but the cable is a lot. The cable is a lot hanging on the pole on the road. Can you see that, guys? Let me know. What is this cable is it for? Look at this cable and let me know. See how there's a lot of cable on this pole. You see? This cable, I think this cable is supposed to be underground, but we got it on the pole. And you can see that. See the way the cable is. Can you see that? This country you need to come and visit. Brazil, ah my goodness, is another place, you guys. Come and visit Brazil. You'll be actually surprised. What I'm seeing in Brazil, I couldn't believe on my eyes. I couldn't believe, guys. Beautiful country, well built. Can you see that? Check. Can you see? How it's well built, guys. See the way the country is well built. You tell me that you got a problem of language. Let me tell you, with Google Translate. Google Translate should be your friend and you are good to go. If Google Translate is remain your friend like me, you'll be good to go, guys. You just need to use your phone and type whatever you want to know in English, and Google will give you the translation in Portuguese, and then you are good to go. You can even propose a woman without even know the language. Don't forget, the body language is also good for you to talk. Brazilians are very kind. They are actually very humble. They can leave what they are doing to give you information. Let me tell you a small story. I actually wanted to go somewhere during the week, and I did not know the destination, and I did not have coins. I went to somebody and then I started asking him how to get to that destination. And on my own surprise, it was so good in certain way that it decided to leave his own destination to come on my rescue. That is not only when he come to my rescue and then he discover where I was going, and then it's actually pay for me without me asking him to pay for my fee. He paid for my fee. I was going to pay 5 reals. He actually paid for me to go. I said to him now that I got the money. He said, no, he's going to pay for me. He's going to pay for me. He actually paid for me. Where somebody who doesn't know you going to pay for your fee of transport? Where? Is it in South Africa that somebody you don't know will just pay your fee like this? These people are, guys, these people are like this. So I would advise you, if you really want to visit Brazil, you can do so. If you are not a South Africa passport holder, you just have to contact the embassy of Brazil in the country when you are located, and then you'll get a proper information concerning the entry in Brazil. Okay? If you're using a Cameroon passport, you need a visa. You just have to apply for a visa and they'll give you a visa. That's it. They'll give you a visa and then you'll come, because it's a touristic country also. There's a lot of places to visit here, guys. A lot of places to visit. A lot of states to visit. You can even finish visiting Sao Paulo. Even in 1 year you can. Talk less about other states. So you really need to prepare yourself. You even need to come here several times. Like me, I believe that I will come here several times before I'll be able to tell you really what is Brazil. But for now, I'm so happy. Yeah. It's good to listen to my fire, because more I listen, more I learn. Proper, you know? Jovan. No, me, Alfonso. All the love. I may not even understand all what they are saying, but little bit I can see in their body language that there's love. Okay, guys, I actually get lost on the language, but I will keep talking to people. Even though I don't understand all, I keep talking to people. That is the best way to learn the language. And then I have been picking up some few words. Guys, as you can see in front of me, I got a bus here. All these buses are going to different destinations and is for free for today. Whoever took this bus today will not pay any cent, because the government make it to be free in the country on Sunday. Wow. The government make it free to everyone in the country on the Sunday, regardless your origin, regardless where you come from. If you are a tourist, or you are a citizen, you will actually get it for free to your destination. One of these buses I'm gonna be taking to go back. Let's see how it's good to take a bus for free, guys. I will be taking one of these buses now to go back home. Okay? Another good thing which I'm telling you in this country is that just by staying in this country for 4 years, you have that eligibility to apply a citizenship. How is it good? Ha ha. Hey, you see, I'm going to take this one now. Guys, you see, I'm in the bus at the moment and then I'll be going. And like I say, on Sunday, this bus is for free. Let's go. Let's go back home. Bon dia. Yeah, I say bon dia. That means good morning. Welcome to Brazil. Welcome to Brazil, guys. Hey guys, I need to go out now. Thank you. Yeah, this is the bus. I'm out of the bus and then I say bye-bye to my bus. Bye-bye. I did not pay anything. Did not pay anything, guys. I did not pay even a cent to show you how Brazil is good, even on Sunday. If you want to go to the church, you cannot have any excuse that you did not have a transport. If you want to go and visit a member of the family, you cannot bring any excuse that you did not have a transport, because the transport on Sunday is free. Yeah? Tell me if the transport is free in your country on Sunday. Did the transport is free in your country on Sunday? Give me a comment below, guys. On top there. I don't know if it's only proper to this country that you see a lot of cable hanging like this. I don't know. In this country, if it happened that your wife gives birth to this country, that child will be definitely a citizen of Brazil. So immediately you give birth to this country, the child will be a citizen of Brazil, and you parent will benefit the citizenship of the child to apply a resident permit, and the whole family. How beautiful it is. And if you married a woman from this country, if you married a Brazilian woman, you are actually eligible to apply for a resident permit who can actually drive you to a citizenship as well. How good it is. Give me a comment below how it is in your country to obtain a resident permit and citizenship. Is it the same thing as in Brazil? Because in Brazil, if you give birth here in Brazil, the child will immediately going to have a citizenship, and the parent will be entitled to apply also a resident permit and citizenship. If you get married to a Brazilian, you are also entitled to apply a resident permit who leads you to citizenship. How good it is. Give me a comment below. Brazil is nice, guys. It's a good place to live in. Magician. It's good. You know, Brazilian, eh?
Brazilian.
Brazilian. Good people.
Não só futebol. Pipa também.
Brazilian. Guys, you see? Nice Sunday here in Sao Paulo. Domingo, Sunday. Wow. Ah, it's very
Tem borracha lá? Tem borracha? Põe aí, tá ali, ó.
Can you see
O
this?
vermelho caiu ali, mano.
See.
O dele, mano. Parou o pipa e o dele roscou, mano.
Wow. Beautiful. If you like my video, please do subscribe. If you're new here, don't forget to share the video. Like the video. Yeah, I appreciate a lot. This is the place I call home now. In Sao Paulo. This is a place I call home.